How to run TikTok ads to Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. So you really just need two different things. One, your Shopify store, and second, a business TikTok account. So the first step would be to actually go to ads.tiktok.com. Now that is going to take you to this page, which is TikTok for Business. So if you don't have a TikTok business account, simply just click on Get Started from the top right corner. But if you do, simply just go ahead and log into your business account. So once you log in or create your account, that's all we need to do here. So we just go back to our Shopify store. From Shopify, we simply just want to click on Apps, or Recommend Apps, and click on Shopify App Store. And we simply just want to look up TikTok. So we are going to be finding the official one, which is named TikTok, and you simply just want to click on Install. Click on Install one more time. And now all we need to do is just follow these steps. First, you just want to click on Setup Now. This is going to prompt us to connect our business account with our Shopify. So you simply just want to click on Connect and use the information we have just used on TikTok Business. Once you log into your business account, you simply just want to click on Connect. And same goes for Center Account. If it says that you don't have one, you simply just click on Create New. And it's going to be the same steps for Ads Manager. So if you don't have one, to click on Connect to, you simply just click on Create New and follow these steps. It's very simple, very straightforward. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Connect with this one. Next up, we have the data sharing option. Now, this is really going to depend on you and your privacy policy. I'm just going to go for the standard one, and you should know exactly what to go for here. So it really just is going to depend on your privacy policy. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on Confirm. Lastly, here you're going to be able to add some company information and click on Finish Setup. So once you're done connecting your TikTok business account with Shopify, we simply just want to go back to ads.tiktok.com. And this is going to take us to the TikTok Ads Manager. From here, all we need to do really just click on Campaigns and create a new campaign. So just click on Create. And here we're going to set up the actual campaign here. The first thing is going to be the objective of the actual campaign. So I'm just going to go to Sales and click on Website Conversion. Then click on Continue. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a name and click on Continue. Now you can go for the optimization goal of conversion or click. I'm just going to go for click and click on Continue. Now for the ad content, you simply just want to connect your default TikTok account. So simply just click on Connect and use your login information. So after you actually connect your account, you're going to add a destination URL to the product or collection that you want to advertise for. So you simply just want to go back to Shopify, grab the link to your product/collection and add it in here. Next up, you're going to add your media, which is going to be pretty much the ad. So you can just click on plus videos and images. And obviously here, you're going to simply just upload your ad. So it's either going to be from your TikTok post that you can select one of them, or if you can just go to Creative Library here and you can simply just click on Upload and drag your ad in here. So once you upload your media, you simply just want to click on Confirm. Next up, you want to add the actual text on the post itself. And you can choose whether you want it to be set as a post or not on your TikTok account. I'm just going to turn that off. And then you also want to select the call to action that is going to show up on that button here, as you can see. So order now is viable. Apply now, not really. Contact us today, maybe, but I'm just going to remove it. Visit us now, I'm going to keep it. Call us now, I'm just going to remove that. View now, check it out, sign up. Nope. Learn more, sure. So just leave the call to actions that you actually like or add some more from here. Simply just go and click on continue once you're done with your post. Next up, we have the targeting. Now, it's by default going to be the automatic one. And if you have no experience and you don't really have a preference to where you want your ads to be, then you just leave it as automatic. But if you want to have more control of who sees the ads, you can just click on custom and go through the settings. So it's going to be more like some demographics when it comes to location, languages, and gender. So if you want to change any of them, you can just click on edit and choose where you want to advertise, for example, or who you want to advertise it to when it comes to gender and languages. But I suggest that you keep it as automatic if you don't know what you're doing. Next up, the budget. So you are going to have a few options here. This is going to be the bare minimum. Obviously, it's going to show up with your currency, so it's going to make more sense to you. but you are going to go for what you can afford for the time being, but obviously the more the better. So just keep that in mind and select the one that is going to be suitable for you. Lastly, here we have the schedule, so we are just going to leave it as recommended unless you want to create a custom schedule for it. And you are going to simply just publish it. And now the last step for you to do is going to enter your payment details, and then you're just going to have the campaign working and it's going to start showing ads for your products or collections. Obviously, you're going to be able to turn it on or off whenever you like, so that's up to you basically. But yeah, this is pretty much how to set up TikTok ads to Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be informative, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.